Welcome to Analie's World. Today, we're going to unbox and review Sunjoe 14.5 amp electric pressure washer. Here we go. Here we go. Someone gonna do some washing tomorrow outside in the backyard. All right, what we have? Okay. Ooh, what is this? There we go. Another one. More goodies here. Ooh. Whoopsie daisy. Alright. In here. Oh, okay. There we go. Ta-da. All right. Holy smoke! Look at this. This is a serious washer. Okay. Nice. Wow. All right. Ooh. Now, okay. So we have that part. Like this, and I think this one gonna go there. Yep. Okay, that one and this one. I guess I have to read the manual how to put this thing together. First and foremost, read the manuals, then put this together and get to work. Alright, let's do it. Okay, so now I'm going to explain to you or show you how to hook this one up, and I'll show you some of the built-in features. So I'm going to show you how to attach and hook up all the parts. When you take it out from the box, the hoses are not attached to each other there. So you have this attachment on this one. All right. So the other end is attached to this, and the other end of the hose is here. So this is where the attachment of the other end of the hose is here, and this is where the other end goes. Okay, so here is another small thing that you won't, well, if you're not using the machine, you should pull this thing up, lock it, and then store it here. One of the safety features. All right, so that's that. And then, so we have different size of nozzle for different usage. So with these nozzles here, you can look at the numbers. The lowest number is the highest intensity. So you can select your nozzle for your specific job. You can just refer to the manual, but that's what it is. The lowest number is the highest intensity, right? As an example, we wash the chairs that have been sitting outside for a long time, and we use the yellow one. You will see it in the video. So this is what we use, the yellow one. And also we use the yellow one to wash our patio stones. So that's powerful. All right, so let's store this one here. Now I'm gonna turn this one, and of course, before you use it, don't forget to plug it. All right, in here we have this two empty bottle here. You can add some detergent, or if you want to wash your car, you can put some soap there. And if you fill up this one with soap, you just turn this one on this side, and there is an arrow here. If you are filling up this one and you're using this side, so open it on this side. So that's the lowest there. If you want more detergent, you can turn the nozzle like that. So that's what this green button up. This is where you're gonna attach your garden hose, and this is your on and off button. Make sure to turn on your water before you turn this one on. All right, and make sure this one is fully empty before you lock this one for storing. Okay, when you take this one out from your box, this one is not attached to this one. Okay, so you have to attach this to this, and then this is how you store it. You don't have to put it back in the box. There you go. So what I really like about this is the cord is really long. You don't have to use extension or anything, and it's easy to store. You just follow that curve, and then this is where you store your cord. Easy and handy. There you go. And this one, there you go. It helps my life easier. Voila!